everyone, welcome back. It's me, Miss Foster, and today we are going to be drawing and decorating our very own layered cake. So today is going to be very drawing heavy, drawing focused, and once we have the basic cake shape, so we're basically learning how to draw a 3D cylinder today with a slice cut out of it, we are then going to take that basic shape, turn it into a cake by adding some of these layers here you'll see in the center. You can decide how many layers you want on your cake. You don't have to do the same as mine. And then also add some decorations to our cake as well. So today you need a piece of paper, something to draw with, and something to color with. So go ahead and grab your materials and let's get started. Hey everyone, it's me again, Miss Foster. I'm just here to remind you to hit the subscribe button if you like these videos and you want to see more. I also want to remind you that these videos are created in partnership with Painting Pandas, which is an awesome nonprofit organization here in Austin, Texas that provides free art instruction and free art supplies to any kid who needs them. If you would like to learn more, donate, or sign up for a live class with me, go ahead and click the link that's in the description below, www.paintingpandas.org. All right, I'll see you next time.